Okay, the retreat in Greece, Release and Realign, is for all stages, from beginners all the way to master yoga teachers. It is an experience for everybody to come. We will meet you where you're at. We will enhance your touch. You will learn energy medicine. You will learn flow. You will learn releasing from the inside out. Your kundalini will rise. You will have an experience where you will let go of the blocks that are keeping you from your best self. We're doing our Greece retreat the first 2 weeks of June. We're having small, intimate groups. Couples can come, friends can come, singles can come. We are embracing everybody at whatever level you're at. Please join us. It's going to be a magical week.